Hi guys, this is Batgirljamie here. This is my new layout that I have for when I record on my program, but I got this package in the mail and I'm going to do an unboxing, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. This is my shopping unboxing. I don't know what I bought. I bought so much stuff online. This is probably from Temu, so we are going to open. I got two packages to open. We're going to open them with scissors. So if you like this type of video, and hit the bell, and there's channels linked on my thing that you could subscribe to. Okay, there's a bunch of stuff in here. This is my Temu package, by the way. These are my pins that I ordered from Temu. I want to make sure I get everything out. Okay, I ordered. I'm going to open them one by one and show you what I got. And throw this away. A Misfits pin. Fucking love that. I got a Marilyn pin from Adventure Time. I love this. I speak in song lyrics, movie quotes, and sarcasm. I got a Beetlejuice pin. It's got Lydia and Beetlejuice. And it's from the cartoon. And I got this Adventure Time pin. And it's Princess Bubblegum. Okay, this one I'll show you last. These are all the pins that I'm going to put on my board. I'll do a tour on my TikTok, which is Batgirljamie Me. This is my South Park pin. This is Cartman's Cupid. This is Cupid Me, or Ye, and it's it's that first comes up when Nicole first comes to South Park, and she has he wants her to get together with Tolkien. Then I got two more pins here, and I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you what else I got. Then this is one, and it is, I just want to slap it. Here, let me take it out of this. It's making it hard for you guys to see it. It's a Louise pin. And there's two of them in here. This one says, "See you in hell." I got two Louise pins. Okay, now, these can go right here. And I got this package of stickers. I wanted them. They're all autism awareness stickers. They're different autism awareness stickers. They're all different. I'm not going to show you them all, but that's a sampling, and they're nice stickers. They'll be good for me to use. I'm just going to stick them in my sticker box, and I'm going to show you my sticker box. I'm going to stick them in this sticker box since it doesn't have that many stickers in it. There. And I got tons of autism awareness stickers now. Okay, now we're going to open up my other box after I throw my trash to the side. Okay. I got this great big box here. I do not know what's in here because it does not say where it's from. I'm thinking it's the makeup I ordered from Wet n Wild. But I can't guarantee that. It might be more stuff from Temu. I did order a lot of stuff from Temu. I'm going to take this trash out when I'm done because I don't want to keep trash in my house. I'll get all these boxes out, but I want to ooh and ah over how cool this is. I bought this because oh yeah, it is. It's my collection of it's my Wet n Wild package. I ordered the PR package of I paid with my own money for the PR Marilyn Monroe set of makeup from Wet n Wild. Let's put all this trash in there so it's off my desk so we can look at this. I'm going to show you the PR box. It comes like this in a big old box. Very pretty. I'm going to fall in love with this box. Okay, let's see what it looks like when you open it. When you open it, there's tape on the side, so instead of ripping it, because I don't want to rip the box, I might use this as something else. This is really pretty packaging. I like the flowers and I love Marilyn Monroe. She's my favorite actress. Okay, this is the whole collection, what it looks like in the packaging. Now we're going to pull this out. We're going to pull the top off and stick it in the box. We got powder puffs. Really soft powder puffs. This whole package was $80-something shipped. We got an illuminator. A very pretty illuminator. I'm excited for. We got a very pretty... No, that's the highlighter. No, these are both highlighter illuminators. You get two highlighter illuminators. You get that one and you get a lighter color. That's very pretty. Then, I think you get this, which is a blush. You get this peachy color, peachy bronzy. You get this peachy colored blush, which I love. You get this red lipstick called the Wet. It doesn't have a name for it. And then you get two different lipsticks. Oh, this is the gloss. This is the balm, lip balm. It's definitely got rose oil in it. Ooh, I like it. That's the lip balm. And that's the lip oil. Then we've got this, which is a retractable eyeliner, which is in like a white shade. It's white. Then we've got the eyeliner in brown, because Marilyn Monroe always wore dark brown eyeliner. Then we've got this red lip liner. Red lip liner. And this red gloss. We got this red gloss. It's a red gloss to go over top of the, it's a red tinted gloss. You get 3 of these powder puffs. And then you get this for the powder. You use that for this setting. This is translucent powder, and you use it for that. And then you lift it up, and you take that out. You get this headband. Okay. You get that headband. You get this eyeshadow brush. And this is what I'm excited for, because I love Wet n Wild eyeshadow. We're going to try some of the white eyeshadow, because I love Wet n Wild's white eyeshadow. This is, they did it, they gave you the perfect collection to do the Marilyn Monroe look, which I'm going to be excited to try. Then we've got this dual-ended eyeliner. And it's in black, I think. Black Noir. It's a dual-ended pen. I don't know if one's thinner than the other. I think it's just dual-ended. It's just dual-ended pen. Then we've got this, which is Brow and Lash Mascara. And it's clear. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. Then we got this. Big Papa. It's the Notorious B.I.G. inspired mascara. They included that. Then they give you this extremely pretty powder brush. And a Barefoot Clarifying Finishing Powder. I might use some of this. It's just a finishing powder. And that's what's in the Marilyn Monroe collection, and I'm so excited to have it. And I'm excited to get the rest of my pens to do my thing. I like the brushes. They're really pretty. Let's put it all back in the box, and I'll deal with it later. I'm going to go chill out now. I wasn't going to buy this, but I couldn't resist. When it comes to Marilyn Monroe and this, I had to have it. Okay, that's going to go there. And that lip balm is rose oil. And I can feel it and smell it. As soon as I put it on, my lips are dry. But that's what I got in the mail. That's what I got. If I'm going to put a link to the whole Marilyn Monroe collection on my link tree, and products, stuff Batgirljamie bought online and loved. And there's going to be a link to it so you guys can go buy your own collection. Some of the stuff from the Marilyn Monroe collection, because I'm in love with it, and I like this lipstick. It's like natural, everyday. I usually kind of do my makeup similar to Marilyn Monroe's anyways. That eyeshadow is really pretty. It's just like a whitewash on your eyelids. But anyways, that being said, I'm going to get off here. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next live stream. And I'll see you guys later. Have a safe week and weekend. I'm going to go. If you guys want to see it, if you guys want me to do more of these, give this a thumbs up. I'm excited to have this, and I'll see you guys in my next live stream. I love you all. Have a safe weekend, and I'll see you in my next video soon. Don't forget that I go live on TikTok several times a week. So make sure you follow me on TikTok. And I go live on Twitch. And every Tuesday and Thursday from 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you follow me on Twitch, and I post on Instagram and Twitter all the time. So if you want to see my stuff and more of this, if you like my shopping hauls, I kind of like that mascara added to that. It gives it a little bit of fullness to it. I got this new mascara, the mascara that I showed you guys that I got from my Ipsy BoxyCharm plan, monthly subscription box. It's very, very nice. It works really good, and I used my regular mascara that my eyeliner that I usually use, I got the Ciate London this month, and I've had it before, the Fierce Flick, and I really like it. But I used my other that I normally use that I've had, and I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but I really like it. So, that being said, I will see you guys in my next live stream. Hit the like, stay positive, make good choices, stay safe, and have a good week and weekend. And I hope next week on Thanksgiving, you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become a member of the Bat Fam, hit that bell so you get notified every time, and comment if you got any video ideas, and I'll see you in my next live stream. Thank you for watching.